Human trafficking is a big problem in our world today. So big you might wonder what you could do about it. An event at HCC's Stafford campus aimed to answer that.
We are an organization that primarily combats trafficking through awareness and education. We're all about being proactive versus reactive. We want to help stop trafficking before it happens. We were formed back in 2015 when a group got together and either were working with victims or hearing about victims and seeing how difficult that road to restoration, to rehabilitation, to reintegration into society was if they were even rescued or recovered or able to get out of the life. And we said, we've got to do something about this. We have to do something to stop this before it's happening. And so the lane that we chose primarily is the awareness and education side, so that we can help people understand what trafficking is, what to look for, what to be aware of, and then who to call to get the help.
In terms of social work, of course, we are bound by a code of ethics. So when we're dealing with human trafficking victims, confidentiality, of course, is key to protect the identity of the individual and make sure that other agencies and resources are also aware of all those privacy issues that may come up. When we talk in terms of the social work system in dealing with victims of human trafficking and survivors, then we are always saying that we're lacking in resources and manpower to address those type of issues and to hopefully bring the human trafficking victim to survival level as much as possible. So there's always a demand and a need to promote legislation, to have more resources, more organizations involved in assisting our victims.
No, I really like the part of our conversation that we had here to letting the victims know that, hey, you are victims, and knowing that, again, as we discussed, what you had to do what you had to do, there is nothing wrong with that. I'm very, very proud to know that there are victims out there who've done what they had, but they are survivors and they are here and they're, making a difference by telling us their story. And unfortunately, I wish that never happened to them, but they are very, very, very brave, much braver than they believe themselves to be. And so I thank them for their courage to come out and say the things that they need to say to help others in their situation.
To contact us, you can connect with us on social media. We're on Instagram and Facebook at CCHT_TX. You can connect on our website, www.cchtsttx.com. You can call our office number, 281-369-4412. The National Human Trafficking Hotline number is an easy to remember format. It's 888-3737-888. You can also text. It spells out Be Free. It's 233-733. Available 24/7. Available in 200+ languages. You can choose to remain anonymous, and it's available 24/7.
For HCC Beat, this is Randall Williams.